Hi, welcome to my tutorial on how you can remove spaces from a selected set of data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this has a number of practical uses. One is, for instance, if you've asked someone to type up a list of data for you and they have included spaces where you didn't want them to be, for instance in a double-barreled word such as the word French fries, you actually wanted that to be a single word. If you want to delete those spaces between those words, rather than have to do this manually, you can actually use this to quickly remove any spaces that are between those two words. There's another really important use for this as well, and that's if people have been working on a document, they may have inserted spaces into what look like blank cells. Now, the way Excel works, if a cell contains a single space, it is not classed as an empty cell. And if you're working with other macros and other more complicated pieces of Excel, having something that appears blank and actually is not can actually cause problems within that macro itself. Okay, so to do this, as you can see, we've got a working example. We have a list of data here on the side. You can see they all are double-barreled words, like Coca-Cola, hot dog, etc. What we're going to do is quickly remove the spaces between all those words. Now, to do this, you first of all make your selection. So this could be an entire column, it could be a number of columns, or it could also be a custom selection that you choose, such as this. So I highlight my cells. To now remove the spaces, I press Ctrl F. It's a shortcut, but you could actually do this another way by going to Home and then going to Find and Select at the very right hand side, press down, and we're going to press Replace. When you open this up, you'll see you get two boxes. Now you have to make sure that you're on the Replace setting. Okay, if you was to press Ctrl F, I'm just going to do this again so you can see it automatically opens up with Find. If you've done that, just press Replace. You've got two boxes. Find What is the top one and Replace With is the bottom one. You want to insert a single space into the top box and you do nothing else with the bottom one. You then go to Replace All and press there. You will then get a dialog box that basically informs you that that has been completed. So in our situation, it has removed essentially 29 spaces. Press OK, close this, and you can see our data set now, all the spaces have actually been removed from there. Okay, I hope that's been helpful. If you have struggled to follow along at this speed, I have put this in a written format, step by step with images as well. I will put the link in the description below, so please feel free to visit there. If you have found this useful, feel free to like or subscribe. See you next time.